Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to crop a picture from Snipping Tool on Windows 11. Did you know that you can crop a picture directly using the Snipping Tool on Windows 11? This simple yet powerful tool allows you to quickly capture and edit screenshots without needing additional software. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the File Explorer on your PC. And then you have to open the folder with the image to crop. Then you have to right-click the image and select Open with menu and choose the Snipping Tool option. Then you have to click the Image Crop button in the toolbar. And then you have to drag the borders inwards using the mouse to crop the image. After that, you have to click on the Apply button. And then you have to click on Save As button from the top right. After that, select the folder location. And finally, you have to hit the Save button and you are all set. Once you have completed these quick steps, a copy of the image will be created with the new modifications. And that's how you can easily crop a picture directly from the Snipping Tool on your Windows 11 device. This built-in tool makes capturing and editing screenshots incredibly simple and efficient. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.